Plant physiology. Osmosis involves diffusion of suspended particles from higher to lower concentration, diffusion of suspended particles from lower to higher concentration, diffusion of water from more to less concentrated site, diffusion of water from less to more concentrated site. And the correct option is diffusion of water from less to more concentrated site. Transpiration in plants is a process of photorespiration, water loss, food production, respiration. And the correct option is water loss. In soil, water that is readily available to plant root is gravitational water, capillary water, hygroscopic water, bound water. And the correct option is capillary water. A cell placed in strong salt solution will shrink because cytoplasm will decompose, mineral salt will break the cell wall, salt water enters the cell, water comes out by exosmosis. And the correct option is water comes out by exosmosis. A cell shrinks when it is placed in hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution, isotonic solution, saturated solution. And the correct option is hypertonic solution. A cell increases in volume if the external medium is hypotonic, hypertonic, isotonic, none of these. And the correct option is hypotonic. Which of the following elements is present in green pigment of leaf? Magnesium, phosphorus, iron, calcium. And the correct option is magnesium. Which of the following structures of a plant is responsible for transpiration? Xylem, root, stomata, bark. And the correct option is stomata. During rainy seasons, door made up of wood swell up due to diffusion, osmosis, imbibition, plasmolysis. And the correct option is imbibition. Excessive supply of chemical fertilizer often causes death of crop plant due to exosmosis, endosmosis, imbibition, turgidity. And the correct option is exosmosis. In plant, water is transported through cambium, phloem, xylem, epidermis. And the correct option is xylem. Water available in soil for the root of plant is capillary water, gravitational water, hygroscopic water, none of these. And the correct option is capillary water. When concentrations of solutes is low in the soil, absorption of water is stopped, increase, retarded, remains normal. And the correct option is increases. Plant cell kept in hypertonic solution will get lysed, turgid, deplasmolysed, plasmolysed. And the correct option is plasmolysed. In biological system, the term osmosis involves the diffusion of water, solutes, energy, both A and B. And the correct option is water. Which one of the following is the example of subsistence farming? Shift cultivation, commercial farming, extensive and intensive farming, organic farming. And the correct option is organic farming. Wilting of plants occurs due to excessive of absorption, transpiration, respiration, guttation. And the correct option is transpiration. The process in which loss of water occurs in the form of water vapor through aerial part of plants is respiration, guttation, transpiration, exosmosis. And the correct option is transpiration. The maximum loss of water in transpiration is from lenticels, cuticle, stomata, hydothorax. And the correct option is stomata. Transpiration is high under dry environment, low atmospheric pressure, high temperature, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. The loss of water in the form of water drops is called transpiration, respiration, guttation, exosmosis. And the correct option is guttation. Transpiration helps in transportation of minerals, ascent of sap, cooling, all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Minute pore found on the soft aerial part of plant, especially the leaves, are called cuticles, stomata, lenticle, none of these. And the correct option is stomata. The percentage of water lost during transpiration is 80%, 60%, 99%, 40%. And the correct option is 99%. Transpiration is regulated by the movement of guard cells, subsidiary cell, epidermal cell, mesophyll cells. And the correct option is guard cells. Transpiration differ from evaporation in rate of water loss. Transpiration is a physiological process while evaporation is physical process. Transpiration is physical process while evaporation is a physiological process. Frequency of water loss. And the correct option is transpiration is a physiological process while evaporation is physical process. Water movement against gravity is caused by imbibition, transpiration, osmosis, diffusion. And the correct option is transpiration. Stomata generally open during daytime, during night, it doesn't open, none of these. And the correct option is daytime. Plant cooling occurs due to assimilation, guttation, photorespiration, transpiration. And the correct option is transpiration. Water exudation through hydrotherms is guttation, transpiration, hydrolysis, excretion. And the correct option is guttation. Hydrotherms occurs due to stem, leaves, root, all of these. And the correct option is leaves. Maximum transpiration occurs in algal cells, xerophytic plants, hydrophytic plants, mesophytic plants. And the correct option is mesophytic plants. A twig kept in water having some salt remain fresh for longer period due to decrease in bacterial predation, exosmosis, decrease in transpiration rate, absorption of more water. And the correct option is decrease in transpiration rate. An instrument for measuring the rate of transpiration is porometer, hygrometer, photometer, psychrometer. And the correct option is photometer. In plant, process of transpiration occurs through stem, leaves, root, all the aerial part of plant. And the correct option is all the aerial part of plant. Condition in which rate of transpiration increases. Low velocity of wind, low humidity and high temperature, high humidity, excess amount of water in soil. And the correct option is low humidity and high temperature. Two main functions of leaves are transpiration and respiration, respiration and digestion, photosynthesis and respiration, photosynthesis and transpiration. And the correct option is photosynthesis and transpiration. Absorption of water by root occur in the region of root cap, cell elongation, root hairs, cell division. And the correct option is root hairs. Water will be absorbed by root hairs when the external medium is hypotonic, hypertonic, isotonic, viscous. And the correct option is hypotonic. Which of the following plants produces seed but not fruit? Almond, cycas, groundnut, mustard. And the correct option is cycas.